LinkedIn has become a main source of job hunting and the career development. But with so many competitors reaching out to the same target audience, how can you make yours stand out? So here are some tips to help you make your LinkedIn profile more effective. First, use a strong headline. The first thing people see when they arrive on your LinkedIn profile is the headline you use to describe your profile. This is an important way to grab their attention and get them to read on. Be sure to use the keywords related to your job search and career goals. Be well researched. Make sure that you are well researched when creating your LinkedIn profile. This includes knowing your target audiences and what they are looking for. Be prepared to answer any questions that your readers may have about your skills and experiences. Next is be authentic. People want to connect with the people like them. So make sure that you are authentic and comfortable sharing your story. Share positive experiences and talk about your passions. Next is be active. People want to see that you are actively looking for the new opportunities. So be sure to update your profile often and engage with the other professionals as well. Next is don't be boring. Your LinkedIn profile is your first impression. So make sure it is memorable and engaging. Add the relevant keywords, use images and the videos, and make sure your font is easy to read. Next is research your target audience. Before you start creating content for your LinkedIn profile, take some time and understand your target audiences. What they are looking for, what are their top concerns, what are their top skills and interests. By understanding your audience, you can create content that will appeal to them and make them want to learn more. Next is optimize your content. Once you have created some great content, it is time to optimize it for maximum impact. Use relevant keywords and keywords related to your target audiences. Make sure your content is well written and that is easy to read. Use images and videos that appeal to your audiences. Next is get active in the LinkedIn community. If you're not already joined the LinkedIn community and start building relationships with other professionals, you can also use this platform to network with the potential buyers. By following these tips, you can definitely make your LinkedIn profile stand out. Thanks for watching.